Variety is the spice of life. Welcome to Muffins Galore, where we'll take one batter every week and make it into a delicious, scrumptious muffin. Why? Because we love muffins. Hi guys, how are you today? This is Risa, and I want to welcome you to Muffins Galore, where today we are making coconut fruit muffin. It's going to be delicious. I hope you're all doing well and you are ready to go on this mission. So, here we go. Are y'all set? Let's get this party started. I'll just fix the camera here where you can see everything. Oops. Alrighty, here we are. So here we have our sugar, and we're just mixing in a little bit because we have two sugars here. We have white sugar and brown sugar. So now I am just gonna add the butter. Okay, melted butter in, and we're mixing that in. And then we're gonna add our eggs. Okay, let's get our eggs in. Our eggs have been beaten. There we go, and just incorporate everything. Okay guys, so now we are going to add we have our flour here, and to our flour we're going to add baking powder, baking soda, a bit of salt. We are going to add some cinnamon and some nutmeg. And we're just going to incorporate that. Mix it in nicely. Oops, mix it in nicely. And then we are going to slowly add it to our mixture here. And we're just going to continue adding this. Okay, so now I'm going to add some yogurt, some of the yogurt to this. I'm just going to alternate things right now. So a little yogurt. We're going to add some more flour. Some more flour. And yogurt. Just going to finish off the yogurt here. Okay. And we can't forget our coconut. So we have our blended coconut. I use fresh coconut, blended it, and this is what we're using. I have our fruits, and so here is our dry fruits. This is mixed peel that I have here. The recipe will be in the description. Everything will be in the description that you can follow along. And we're going to add some raisins, dried fruits. You could add cranberry, you could add blueberry, you could add some cherries. It's up to you what you want in your muffin. Remember, a muffin is, and at the end, it's what you like. Okay, so I'm just going to add the last of the flour here now. And all the things that's going to make it absolutely delicious. We are doing mixed essence. This is mixed essence. We are going to do some vanilla. Just a bit of vanilla. And finally, we're going to do some almond. And this. Now we are just going to mix everything in now. Yeah. And you don't want to overmix things at all because we want a nice muffin. We don't want to rock like we're making rock bun. No. All right. This is great. Okay. So now I am going to get my muffin pan, and I am going to just put in a muffin pan, and we're going to put it in the oven, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So we're back, and I'm just going to portion this out into the muffin pan. And these are going to look so amazing when they come out. Oh my goodness. These are going to be a beautiful, beautiful muffin. Not to mention the taste. With all those spices and the fruits and stuff. Oh man. As I said before, these muffins are great for snack. You could use them for breakfast. You could give the kids for lunch. You could take for lunch. They're just very versatile. And you know, muffins are great. As I said, we use the same recipe every week to make a different kind of muffin, because I'm sure, you know, you eat chicken, right? You don't want to eat the same chicken every single day. Boiled chicken, fried chicken every single day. No, you want something different. So this is what we do. We take the same recipe and make something different every week. And that keeps it fun. I know you get tired of the same thing every day, over and over. You need a change. You need some variety. Variety is the spice of life. Yeah? And these muffins are definitely great. You know, I love anything coconut. Anything coconut is in, I love it. It's one of my favorite things. And when it's in baked products, it just makes it even better. All right, guys, I think my pans are full. So we'll just get them in the oven now. And I will bake these for between 22 and 25 minutes. It all depends on your oven, but they come out well at about 23 minutes. So they should be just fine. And I will be back when these are all done. All right, guys, I'll see you in just a moment.